It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic SLT in white, gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and about a 5-foot box. And you also have a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You've got this nice trailer hitch in the rear, a power sliding window, and satellite radio, among other things. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5.7 liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4, and the engine's a Hemi. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered and your passenger seat is manually adjusted. You have this nice mat with the Ram logo on it, lighting controls, and there's a grab handle as well as a running board, making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, hands-free dialing, as well as your cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. So you can toggle through that. In the center, a little cubby, and right now we're having our display come up on the screen. So for the radio, AM, FM, and you have Sirius XM as well, volume and tuner, and then your hazard lights down below. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view there. So it's right off the back bumper. Green, yellow, red is just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. Let's put us back into park. There we go. You've got your fan, AC and max AC, and then your defrost, traction control, tow haul, and you have your shifter there with 4x4 and a 12 volt down below. You also have, and I'm just gonna pull this out. This is not an ashtray, this is a tray just to put items in. There you go. And in the center, you've got lots of cup holders. The armrest opens up and you've got your USB auxiliary line in, and another USB, place to put coins if you want. And then you can flip this up. This gives you another seating position, and you've got a little tray down below. Off to the side, there's your 115 volt, and you also have a 12 volt down here. Glove compartment, there's another one on the upper side. Grab handle in the body, manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, and you have that sliding window in the rear, and it's powered. So just by pressing the button, I can make it go forwards and backs, and it slides side to side, which is really handy. And then you're ready to take off. I'll just mention with that center seat as well, you have a little lever underneath here. You just pull that up and it gives you a little more storage under the seat. That's kind of handy too. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body colored door handle, driver's side, fuel cap. And in the rear, the black handle extends to the tailgate. Your backup camera's to the left of that handle. You have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch. And then when you're ready to open it up, you simply put your hand in the latch. And you've got this nice box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as grab handles and power windows in the door. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, plus an armrest and a couple of cup holders. We're going to flip that up, and then you just lift the seat with one hand, and then you have this nice little stand, if you will, or base, to be able to put, I'm doing this with one hand here, so we're just going to pull the feet out. There we go. And then you're going to flip that down, and that just gives you a nice little platform. You see there's a cutout for the cup holders, so if you wanted to put anything there, you could. And then you just flip it back, bring the feet down, and then just push the seat down into the regular seated position, and your armrest is located in the middle there. And you also have slim pockets on the back of the front seat, your air vents down there. And then you have hooks and lighting up top and a sliding window in the rear. Chrome bumper, 5-foot box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.